Hi and welcome. My name is Heather-HEDDY. I'm going to present to you today on the need for an Organic Chemistry 1 class at York Technical College. And they say to always start off presentations with a joke of some sort. And there were a lot of organic chemistry jokes that I could find, but the subject itself is not so much of a joke today. We're looking for a way to help students effectively finish their associate degree in science first, and then also gain transfer credits that they can use to move on to our four-year partners. So students majoring in every field of chemistry and every field of biology essentially are required to take organic chemistry, but it apparently can be very difficult to find a class that suits the needs of students here. We started out with a needs assessment. We looked at the ADDY model of curriculum design as far as implementing this course. And so if we follow this, we're in the analyze phase. We collected surveys and questionnaires. We collected testimonials from students, faculty at other schools, recent graduates of our program, and students that have contacted us asking for this course. And we compiled that data, we looked at it, and that's where the blue star is. That's where we are right now in sharing this data with you in hopes of creating this course and being able to implement it. Providing that course is going to fast track their bachelor's degree. It's going to get them credits that they can transfer to most of our feeder schools in South Carolina, if not other schools as well. And there is the financial aspect of it too. When we analyze the data, if we offer at least one course, then we're looking at a minimum of $23,000 for the institution. So if we want to look at it on a financial basis, the need certainly can provide that. So there's a clear need for this course. The South Carolina Technical College System, which oversees the 16 schools, technical schools that are in South Carolina, has established at 3 other schools a Chem 211, that's Organic Chemistry 1 course. And those descriptions are very similar to the descriptions of the organic chemistry course in the 3 feeder schools that we have. We have Winthrop University, which of course is our bridge school. The University of South Carolina and College of Charleston also get a lot of our students. So you can see that those descriptions talking about nomenclature and structures, organic compounds, they very well match each other. And we also have reciprocal agreements with those schools. So our Chem 211 course would be accepted at any state school in South Carolina. Things that students say about organic chemistry, well, this is the funny part of it, how to draw hexagons, of course, but we did want to find out from the students themselves as to what they are thinking about the course. Winthrop offers only one selection of organic chemistry, so if you're not one of the first students to register for it, you're kind of in trouble. And there's no way to avoid that class. You can't not take it if you're in certain departments. And it's good to be able to go home, work your job at the summer, and focus on that one class alone. When we look at the data, the South Carolina technical schools that offer organic chemistry, there are only 3 out of 16 in the entire state, and we are the only one in the largest metroplex in South Carolina that does not open it. But there are 14 transfer schools that require organic chemistry and 8 transient schools that we have students from all over the country that also require it and don't have the ability to take it. The data also tells us that we have a prospective 367 potential Chem 211 registrants, and that's within a year. So that's a pretty good indication that the need is there for this course. If we look specifically at Winthrop University, we see that there are at least 5 majors that require organic chemistry, and we trace the York Technical College students that are majoring in those majors now and got Associate of Science degrees from York Tech. And so we see that this is a large number of students, 177 students that could have taken their organic chemistry here at York Tech before transferring to Winthrop. So essentially, we've established the need that Chem 211 organic chemistry would be a more than needed course at our school. And that would be 4 technical colleges out of the 16 in South Carolina requiring it. And again, we would be the only school within our immediate area that would offer it aside from Winthrop University. So the data is there and the enrollment would be there as well. If you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them at this time.